Well-manicured nails can be the difference between a great first impression and a poor one. The way you keep your nails says a lot about you as a person, so keeping them as tip-top condition is a must. If you want to make sure your nails always look nice, put together a little manicure kit that you can take anywhere. A pedicure is a way to improve the appearance of the feet and their nails. It basically is a manicure for the feet. The word pedicure comes from the Latin words pes, which means foot, and cura, which means care. It also means the care of the feet and toenails. A pedicure can be helpful because it can prevent nail diseases and nail disorders. If you want to know more about healthy programs, please check the descriptions below.